See, some countries like Germany have done very well in terms of job growth. US is lagging, obviously, at 9.1% unemployment. In terms of the various stimulus which are being provided at this point in time, I would say that there will be growth in some sectors. It might not be growth across. Like, for example, last year we did see growth in the health sector. Arguably, it could be good or it could be bad, but certainly from an employment point of view, I think it's positive. And even at my own company, which is Humana, we have added almost 600 jobs in the last few months. So growth, I think, will happen for the unemployment. Is it adequate? Don't believe so. See, if you look at the health system today, nobody argues that it's totally broken. Not just in terms of not having a universal coverage, but if you look at the contribution of the health costs to the total GDP, it's at 17% in the United States. And not only is it so high, it's growing at such a rapid pace, it can cripple the economy in total. Now, all the debate and discussion that's been happening so far, unfortunately, has been more to move and shift the costs around. It's almost become like a three-way tug-of-war between the payers, the patients, and the providers. So who gets what kind of a pie? This is almost like rearranging the deck chairs when the Titanic is sinking. Rearrangement of deck chairs won't get us to where we have to get. So the discussion has to really substantially shift away from shifting the costs to eliminating costs altogether. Now today, the health system in the United States is more focused on curing the sick. So it's more a sickness system than it is a health system. And that paradigm has to change. If people are kept healthy, and if they adhere to the drugs properly or to various compliance procedures properly, we can avoid so much amount of our healthcare expenditure. It's unbelievable. The obesity levels are rising dramatically. Diabetes is growing very rapidly. Stress levels, depression, various forms of diseases which are all preventable if only people adhere to certain procedures or they are actually pursuing good lifestyles. And that's where we need to really encourage, and that's where Humana is also focused very strongly on.